just scan it back. Yep, walk on through.
Thank you.
Right at 33.
There you go, buddy.
Thanks.
Alrighty, I'm gonna hold your handles down and get you locked in, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, have a good ride.
Thank you.
I got like 100-pound advantage.
Hey.
No way! How are you passing me here?
Yeah, you're gonna go down.
It's because you weigh less.
Mm-hmm.
It's able to pull you up faster.
This is cool. Now they enabled boost mode. Thank you. I'm gonna win. Oh wow, he is way behind. Okay. Uh-oh. No, go faster. No. Oh no. Just gotta gain some speed. This is cool. So this is like a Mobius loop, it seems.
Passing me again?
Yep.
On the uphill? Just for the record, the only time you ever passed me was going up. You're doing it again.
Mm-hmm.
Passing me on the uphill.
Yep. I think I might beat you again. Maybe. Oh, it does have anti-rollbacks.
Yeah, it does look that way, doesn't it?
Yeah. Cool.
Some kind of animal on yours there.
Yeah, I think you might go down again. Oh no! No! Oh, this is janky. but so much fun. Ah, he beat me. Oh, that's fun. Ready.